everyone. It's a beautiful city here in Avignon. Look at the gare. They have a beautiful places. Wow. And it's a nice time spending in Avignon. While spending my time in Avignon at the gare waiting for my arrival to pick me, look at the little fish pond they have at the gare. Wow. This is beautiful. Look at the fish, guys. More. They have different colors of fish. White, red, what name them? This is my first time of seeing this. And it is only in Avignon I have come across such things. Look at the fish, man. So beautiful. I wish to have a fish pond at my home like this. Wow, they are nice. This one are live fish, guys. You need to visit Avignon. Actually, I went for a birthday party for my auntie's baby birthday party. At the same time, I went there to make her hair as well. So I'll give you guys the update of how I went. Meanwhile, I'm waiting for my arrival at the gare to come pick me because I took the bus overnight. It takes me a long time. Yeah, chilling at the gare, waiting for my boss to come and pick me. In there, I have to take a cup of cafe, so to cool away my time because the weather there is very nice. Yeah, it is. Let's go. I'm here with my chief who came to pick me. So you guys look at him, so cool and nice. So I'll be giving you updates on my next video and how I went and how I go to do the job. And I'm making a faux Locs. I'm making a full butterfly loss. So I'll give you step by step on how I did it and how I got here. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you come across this video for the first time. Please, you want to make a good hairstyle, you can easily contact me. I'm into all kinds of hairstyles that you love to do. So guys, I'll be giving you the details of how I went and how I did my job. Just follow me up, share this video if you like it, and support your boy. Please do hit on the red button to subscribe and like, share for others to see. So come on, let me be showing you the way how we are moving. So guys, you can see the weather there is very cool and nice, not like Paris. Paris is very cold while Avignon is very hot. You see the sun, the sky is so beautiful, man. My guy won't keep me with the song where they give me more. This song they bust my head. Hey guys, I really enjoy my time spending in Avignon, and it drive very cool and nice. His driving is very sweet, man. I love to visit Avignon again, man. Guys, look at the weather. Oh man, it's a city now. This place to go fine. It's very cool for you to stay when you want to have a good time. I think I wish to go and do my birthday in Avignon because my birthday is coming up soon. No, this weather is too nice, guy. We are here at the tram. What a beautiful city and a nice weather. Look at the tram. Here comes the train station of Avignon City. So guys, I hope you all are enjoying the move and the weather as well. The song too. I hope you guys are enjoying the song. You see, it's giving me a nice song, man. I'm just cooling my brain anyhow. The song on the entire my score. You know now see they go. That one at Ibis Hotel. Sea level. Be like I'll come and chill. Sea level. See Ibis Hotel. Man, this is really cool. Let's go. Let's continue. We are almost home. Just a few moments we'll be home. Yeah. So let's go. Look at that nice tram. Wow. This is lovely. More since we have been coming, see the weather. The weather said never even change. More, I'm so much in love with this weather. They have a beautiful building
Well, we
here
are
as well.
almost home. It's a long day. It's a long day for me, huh? I took the bus all the night. It's not easy. We're still going. Just a little minute so we get down.
Please do not forget to share this video if you like it and subscribe. It's very important. I know you guys will show me love more. You see the movements. It's not easy. Or you can call me if you want me to come and make your hair too. So I'll show you guys the way I make the hair because I'm almost home. Just a little moment now, we'll be home. You see how we move and it's very lovely. So just please hit and subscribe.
So here we are. Okay. So we're about to park, and while we get down, look at the building. What a beautiful building! Wow, so lovely. Taking my bag. Thank you guys. So guys, I'm here in Avignon City. I'm about to do my job. Let's go. Okay.
Just moving inside to go and do the main thing that brought us here. You see my guy. The guy is so nice, very lovely. Frank, I say thank you for bringing me home. You're a really nice person. I wish to see you soon again. So you see the building, guys. This building will be here. It has it will go gallant. Now we are here almost. Oh, the little boy came to open the door for me. Yes, subscribe, like, and share this video, and for more updates will be on my next video. So guys, let me show you the way of making these faux Locs. First, you have to blow dry the hair because the hair is very short. You need to blow dry it so the hair can push up. And second, I start to cut the hair, cut it like 3 parts. I have to cut it in 3 parts so it will be easier for me to make. And after cutting the hair into 3 parts, then I will make one side the braid. I cut and I put my little gel to make it look neat, and I cut into 2. Then after that, I have to add some mesh because the hair is very short. What I mean by mesh is the attachments, because French we call it mesh. So you have to put the attachments to make it longer because the hair is very short. Then after that, after making the braids, you have to braid everything. I braid one side, then the other side I do the same braid as well. Then after that, I pack everything up to be easier for me, so it will not be disturbing me when I'm making the faux Locs. This hair takes me about almost about 6 hours for braiding, and this is the measure I use for the hairstyle, and it's very soft while using it. So you will see the next move. Then after that, then I pick it one and I will break it and put my crochet then I draw it out, and to make it longer I have to add some mesh to make it longer. This is how I did it. So watch. I'm not going to be able to explain everything for you. Just watch and follow the instructions so you'll see how it goes. Meanwhile, we're having fun, so the hair takes us a lot of time because we are discussing at the same time. She was making her nails as well, so we both do the same thing together. It was really a long time of making this braid and these faux Locs. So watch how it goes. I'll be giving you the details. And please do share this video, subscribe, like and share. Drop your comments. If you have anything to say about this hairstyle, just let me know. After making this braid, this is the hardening of the mesh to make it longer. Yeah, you can see I'm done with the first line. This is long and it's beautiful. So now I take the next one, and after braiding all that, you need to see the beauty of this hair. Man, I really love it. Yeah, I'm almost done with the first part. Because it takes me a lot of time to do that. I'm almost done with the first part, and after I do the second part, because I have to take it one part from the back to the front, then I take the other part from the back to the front, so you guys can see this first part is already done. Then on to the next part. After finishing the next part, here is the back. Here's the back of the hair. I'm already done with the other side, so I'm showing you guys the back of the hair, and it's almost done. You can see as well there's a little light over there because she's making her nails at the same time. She want to look beautiful on the party, and it was really nice. So this is the end of the butterfly loss. This is how we do the ending of the hairstyle, and after that you can see what we do on the next part. Yeah, it's done. So after then I put my mousse to make it look cool and smooth, and so you don't have to be heavy on you. It will make it look more light. As I put a lot of mousse to make it calm. Yeah, I put the spray to make it shine. So you see the beauty is already hard. So tell me if you love this hairstyle. This is butterfly faux Locs. Man, it's really beautiful. It looks good on her. Though I didn't show you guys the way I put eyelashes. I did eyelashes as well. After the braid, yeah, you can see the back and the line is step by step. Though we are done, but I didn't come with my light, so it was not really shine in here. But after all, she went with me at the train station. When I'm going back, then I did a little video over there, and it was really bright and beautiful. Yeah, we're in the train station. You can see the hair, how she packed it, and after she will lose it, and I will show you the full beauty of the hair. Do you guys really love this hair? And do you want to do something like this? Just drop your comment and contact me. If you're around Paris and you want me to come over to your city, wherever you are, I'm available as well, so you can just make your contact and we are good to go. So you see how she's flaunting the hairstyle. Man, this is really beautiful. Who is the next person to do this? All right, guys, I want to say thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Yeah, I'm in the train station. I'm about to go back to Paris. I'm waiting at the train station. You can see the back of the train station. Wow, this Avignon train station is beautiful, as the city is beautiful as well. Man, look at the environment. Very clean, very, very clean. I so much in love with this city. I wish to come back to this city again. Yeah, look at the train. Look, the train station is very cool, neat. There is no sign of dirty in the train station. I mean, the people who is cleaning this train station, they are really doing a good job. So
I'm chilling inside, waiting for my train to come as well, thanking the people who are supporting me, who are showing me love. I want to say thank you to my old and new subscribers. So I'm thanking them for showing me love and sharing my video and subscribe. So in the meantime, my train is coming very soon. I don't have much time to sit. I just sit there to thank the people who sharing my video and lovely. My train is arriving and I am getting set to go. Here comes the train. Look at my train just landed. Wow, this is Wigo. They disappointed me the first time when I was coming. That's why I took the bus. Well, there was no train for me to come over. I took the bus. Now here is the train. I'm going back to my city, Paris. Thank you, Wigo, for taking me back home. Yeah, so we are entering the train and I'm going to sit down. Thank you guys for watching this video. Look at my boy now. My boy don't balance, he don't cock. I'm all set. Yeah, good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Peace, yeah.